As per the orders of the Honorable Court, I have filed 5 affidavits of the parties, my lord,
Huh?
stating that we did not receive any notice. I have filed the affidavit.
Did not receive any notice.
My lords, the matter, my lord, on 5/9/2023, a period of 2 weeks was granted to file the affidavits, my lord,
Ah,
but the matter is listed a little early.
no, not a little early. There was an order directing to be listed on 13/9 and it is listed today.
Your lordship,
Today is 13/9 or what early?
I'll
5/9.
submit, my lord.
Don't make such
My
submissions.
lords, in the
That only
observation,
shows your ignorance about the proceeding.
my lord, I have
Don't say, Mister, when the court speaks, you have to listen. Don't try to interrupt.
Yes,
That only shows that you do not have any idea about the case, number one. Secondly, you do not know about the order which was passed on 5th of September 2013. Yes.
my lord, I have
Show it 1 minute. First read the order and then. How is it then you are required to explain how is it listed early? Read the order.
my lord, may I read the last portion? I'll read the order.
You read, I mean, for yourself.
Yes,
We have read it. Because you have not read it, you said that it is listed a bit early. No, see, Mister, you are a master in complicating things, right? Simply you say that, sir, I need 2 days time to file an affidavit, end of the matter.
yes.
You are trying to blame the court.
No,
Right? There is an order saying why we should not haul you up for contempt, that it is listed on the date which is given by the court. And despite that, you are saying that trying to mislead the court by saying that it is listed early. So are we interested? Are we members of this committee, managing committee of work? We want to oust you and we want to get ourselves inducted in work committee, right? That's why you are casting an aspersion on the court that it is listed early.
My lord, as per the order, 2 weeks time was granted. That was my
Mister, this is an order. Despite reading that order, you are making a submission. It's a fit place where you should go somewhere else.
my lord.
Where is the,
I'll file my
all the registrar general? He will take the him. So he doesn't want to file affidavit.
No, my
According
lord,
to him, it has
that
listed early.
is what.
Yes, what is you?
I could not.
What do you say? What have you said in your affidavit? He is not interested in arguing the case. According to him, the submission is rejected. It is not listed early. It is listed as per direction given to list, and today is 13th September.
My
If you
apologies,
have any
my lord.
doubt, you get yourself treated somewhere.
My
Yes,
apologies.
fine.
I'm ready to make my submissions. If your lordship permits me, I'll make my submissions, my lord. Due to I have the affidavit ready, but I could not file it by today. That is my submission.
So why you could not have said that, sir, please give me 2
My
days
apologies.
time, I will file an affidavit.
My apologies.
Only when we speak that you should go somewhere else, then only you understand, right?
My apologies.
No, we will, Mister. Don't. This is at all times saying also little early and this thing. Why it will be listed early? Only 2 persons can be. Either he will be interested in getting it list early. Why should you make? You are a young person. This thing. Go by the rules.
Yes.
We are only deciding whether notice has been served or not.
Yes.
That we will decide on the basis of affidavit of parties.
Yes.
So what is there early, late?
My apologies, but I'll make my submissions.
Without filing affidavit? Fine. He wants to make his submission without filing affidavit. Fine, Mister. Go ahead.
I'll file my affidavit. My lord, if your lordship have the matter.
No, nothing.
Yeah.
Enough of it. You don't understand.
My
What can be
apologies.
done. You don't understand, Mister. We are
My
not
apologies.
sitting here to make you explain. You have not filed an affidavit. The inference is that his version is correct. So
No, my
therefore,
lord.
the order is set aside.
My lord, your lordship may kindly have.
Yes. What have you said? That no notice was served on you.
No.
Right. Then this order has to be set aside. We will remit the matter to single judge. because he has not filed an affidavit.
I will file my affidavit, my lord,
You said ready to make submission.
my lord, if because your lordships are dismissing my case on this basis, my lord, I'll just file my affidavit. Otherwise, I'm ready to make my submissions, my lord. It is only a small contention with regard to why the implead petition is not ordered.
You were granted time to file an affidavit. You
Yes.
don't want to file, don't file. With the inference,
Fine.
you had short time to file. Again, show him, mister. This is pity. Now an order will be passed. This is too much of an unreasonable behavior. He has not filed an affidavit. The appeal is allowed. Yes. You read the order. Again, read. Last line, 3 lines, read it.
Learned counsel for the parties are granted 2 weeks' time to enable them to file affidavit in support of their respective stands. Records of double 834 of 2022 be tagged with the writ appeal. List on 13/9/2020.
So first submission, it is listed early, is incorrect. First sentence you said
My lord,
listed early, incorrect. Because it
Yes.
is listed on a date on 13/9. So this submission
On 5.
listed early, late, incorrect. Right? Despite an order passed today, on 5th/9, you have not filed an affidavit, correct?
Yes, my lord.
And you are ready to make your submission, correct?
Yes, my lord.
Fine. So he has not filed an affidavit. Record is, where is the record, madam, of WP?
My submissions may be
We
taken.
will determine it from the record, mister. Yes. So where is the record of the WP? 38834. So whether these persons have been
My
served?
lord, sorry, my lord, if I've.
Yes. These petitions have been served. Who you were arrayed as Mr. in the writ petition?
Appellant.
Ah,
In petition, I am not the party. I was
Not
not
the
made as
party.
party.
So where is the question of serving you notice?
They have filed the implead petition. my lord.
Complete. Yes.
Copy, my lord.
So yes,
Petition, they have-
we are deciding this question from the record.
Implead petition, my lord. The implead petition was allowed on the date of the final order.
So on IA 2 of 22, any notice was issued? See whether
The implead petition was allowed, my lord, on the
One-
day.
we are trying to find out from the record. Implead petition was allowed on
18/7, my lord. On the same day, the learned single judge has passed the final order. That is under challenge, my lord.
so before that no notice was directed to be issued on implead petition.
No notice.
Huh?
No notice, my lord.
Oh. See from the record, madam, whether notice, what was the implead petition number? IA 2 of what year?
2 of 22.
2 of 20.
IA 2. When it was filed?
21/10/2020.
Implead petition was filed when? (21/10, 21/10/22). Right. IA 2 of 22. And there is no order sheet directing notice on IA 2 from, and this has been allowed on. No. This was filed on 21/10/21. So then how it can be allowed on 18/7/22, madam? 23. It was allowed. Allowed on 18/7/22. It is. No order to, there is no order. Order. Yes. The IA was allowed on 18/7, 18/7/20. Yes, when they were served with notice according to you.
My lord, in my affidavit on 21/10,
Hey, that affidavit, forget, you have
Yes.
not filed, you are ready to
Lord,
make
my
submission.
apologies, my lord, I'm sorry.
Yeah, there is this thing, we are asking you what date it was served.
My lord, on 21/10/2022, we took out IA number 2 of 2022.
When was the order passed by the learned single judge?
The order, my lord, is.
There is no order directing issue of notice, we have seen the record.
Yes, my lord. On 18/7.
This order has been passed without hearing the appellants.
Yes.
Then it has to be, we are setting it aside on this very ground. The matter will go to learned single judge again to be decided on merits. How can an order be, how can their election be set aside without hearing
My
them?
lord,
This
it is my contention that the learned single judge has exercised her discretion because the matter,
No, if the discretion has been exercised in your favor, next time we wish that without hearing you, discretion is exercised against you, then you will realize how can he was behaving that way because he knew that there is nothing in my case and I cannot defend. That's why he was saying, right?
No,
Yes, mark the presence with consent of the parties, the matter is heard finally. This interrupt.